All right, so it is June 12th, and I am up here at my place on Seneca Lake. I'm gonna be up here for a few days, so just got kind of settled in over there, and the wind is pretty strong out of the north tonight, so I am not able to go out in the lake. So I'm just checking out a local stream. It does have some brown trout in it. Just got a little bit of time to kill, so I'm gonna go check it out. So I'm just fishing a Panther Martin. I have 5 fish down here, but I really want to try to cover some water. So I'm just going to stick with a spinner. Here we go. Oh, that was a brownie. There we go. Oh, man. That's 0 for 3. 0 for 3. Not letting this guy go without a quick look. There we go. Oh my goodness. I cannot hook these fish. I don't know if I've ever lost this many fish. I think that's 1 for 6. Oh, there we go. There's a couple trout right came out. Here, buddy. Alright. Here. Yeah, it's boogieing. Alright, I'm gonna have to snap this. Oh, that was a good hit. Man. On this little ultralight, that fish just bent my rod. Wow. These little brownies are just a ton of fun. Oh, he's barely hooked. There we go. He was just lightly hooked. Man, he hit hard. This is fun. I didn't think there'd be this many fish down here. There we go. These are like, I'm gonna step on them. Another guy. That's a good fish. Switched up to a little Rapala. Oh. There we go. There's a scrappy guy. This pool is just full of trout. Oh. There we go. There he is. Quick pick of this guy. All right, so it's later in the evening. I think that's a song. But basically I started fishing at a waterfall, and I fished down quite a ways through a little gorge. Caught a bunch of brown trout, nothing bigger than 10 inches, but a lot of wild brown trout, which is cool to see, more than I've caught previously on this stream. Worked my way back up, fished the waterfall area again. Now I've come quite a ways upstream. I just followed a little side channel / game trail. It was pretty cool, through a bunch of ferns, and just had a big doe like 15 feet from me walk out into this little stream. It's pretty cool. I was gonna try to get my camera up, but she bolted. Anyway, so I've got a little bit of good looking pocket water down below me. I haven't caught a trout yet above the falls. I saw one little guy, but this looks good, so I'm gonna give it a try and fish my way back to the truck. Once I started fly fishing small streams, I never even considered using spinning gear, but at some point I thought it'd be just kind of cool, kind of a throwback to when I was younger. And I ended up getting this St. Croix. It's a 5-foot ultralight. It's rated for 2 to 6 pound test, paired with this little Sedona 500 reel 4-pound test. It's really great. And some of these streams are so much easier to fish with spinning gear, and a lot of times I use it kind of like to prospect, like a stream if I'm not sure. It's a little more efficient sometimes. And then, you know, a stream like this where it fished well today, I might come back with the fly rod. Now I kind of just go back and forth. I still, whoa, that was close, holy crap. Wow. That'll be funny to watch, but wow. I could have hurt myself. I was standing on that log. I don't know if my foot just went or if some of that bark maybe gave out. Like this, I don't know. Man, I just went down. Caught myself with my hand. Luckily did not break my wrist or hit my head. And one thing worth noting is I am making a lot of these videos fishing solo. I do try, if I'm in an unusual area or somewhere I think, you know, I could hurt myself, I always let somebody know where I'm going to be. And I do have somebody today who knows where I am that I'll check in with when I get back. They actually just texted me because it'd been a while, and I said, I'm heading back, but the waiting is easy. And then I almost break my neck. That's a good looking hole right there. There we go. Your bow. That's a pretty fish. Like I said, I switched up to a single hook. Looks like he's been hooked before. Skinny guy, but pretty dark brownie. So I'm walking back to the truck. Just finished fishing upstream from the falls, and as you saw, I only caught that one trout. I saw a couple others, small ones, but I fished some pretty nice little pockets with nothing, so not sure. Might just not be as productive upstream. It looks good though. I would definitely fish it again. So anyway, like I said earlier, I'm gonna be out fishing hopefully the next few days and posting some videos. So definitely, if you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to make as many videos as I can, so hope you guys are enjoying them.